10 profitable small business ideas you can start today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for profitable small business ideas, you're in the right place. Whether you want to start a side hustle or build a full-time business, I've got you covered. 1. Print on demand, POD, business. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with no inventory. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell custom products online. 2. Freelance services. Turn your skills into cash. Offer graphic design, video editing, copywriting, or programming on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. 3. Home-based baking business. Love baking? Sell homemade cakes, cookies, or healthy snacks locally or on Instagram and Facebook Marketplace. 4. Dropshipping store. Start an online store without stocking products. Use Shopify plus AliExpress to sell trending products with low investment. 5. Social media management. Businesses need help growing online. Manage their Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok and charge a monthly fee. 6. Handmade crafts and Etsy store. Sell custom jewelry, candles, or digital art on Etsy. Unique personalized items sell best. 7. Local cleaning service, big opportunity. Start a small home or office cleaning business. Low-cost startup with high demand. Charge per hour or per project. 8. YouTube content creator. Make videos on topics you love. Tech, fitness, or finance. Earn from ads, sponsorships, and merch. 9. Mobile car wash business. Go to clients and detail their cars. A simple, profitable service that requires minimal investment. 10. Personal coaching or consulting. Which one do you like the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.